Two of the top online gambling casino stocks have a huge catalyst coming up. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, today I want to talk about two stocks that may have a huge catalyst coming up this Friday. So I'm going to put this video out really quick because I want you guys to really look at these two companies. It's two companies that we've talked about before. However, these two stocks that I'm going to speak about, they're in one of the top hot sectors that I've mentioned in some of my previous videos. I had a video earlier this year that said there was 4 top hot sectors. One of them is this one, online gaming and gambling stocks. With that said, I want to speak about, and probably the first one I'm going to talk about is probably the most undervalued of them both. And this is something that I've been loading the boat on as of late. It's pretty much been stuck anywhere from $19 to $21. It does have a few pops here and there, but I think this catalyst that's about to happen this Friday, I think this is going to make it go over the top. First stock I'm speaking about here is Golden Nugget, GNOG. Now guys, I've had this experience before where a stock stays stuck. Another one that's kind of stuck right now as well is Clove. Look into that one. That's a Chamath play with healthcare. But this one, Golden Nugget, has been really stuck anywhere between 19 and 21 and can't really get out of it. Let me look at the chart here. For the past 3 months, if you see it here, it was back in November, it was at 12, and then it went all the way as high as $26. But then it came all the way back down after the merger. This was a previous SPAC. Now the reason why I'm so excited on this SPAC is because, well, it's not a SPAC anymore. It used to be a SPAC. But if you read here, Michigan online gambling starts Friday with launch of online casino game and sports betting. Now look at this, guys. So these are the casinos that are approved to start in Michigan on Friday, this Friday, okay? So one of them is, which is the other company that we're going to be talking about, is DraftKings. Ticker symbol DKNG, but the one that we are currently looking at is Golden Nugget Online Gaming, okay? So that's going to get approval from Michigan to get started on Friday and being able to do their online thing. So this is a huge catalyst, guys, as more and more states start legalizing this. And I think as we go further along, I think all 52 states will end up legalizing this. First, it produces a great income for the state. And with the situation that we're in right now, I think the state is going to have no other choice but to accept these laws passing, because, you know, they're trying to create revenue as best as they can. With a lot of businesses going out of business, I think this is a great way to create that revenue, at least in the short term. But long term, I'm thinking every state is going to actually get into this. So Golden Nugget, guys, is going to be, I think, one that's going to hit 25 pretty soon. Okay, I'm also buying calls, $25 calls on this play here. If I would suggest to you, any price between 19 and 21. Okay, 19 and 21. Now, jump in on that. Just my advice is that's what I'm doing. We're currently invested at the moment. We have 308 shares. I'm surprised actually that it hasn't gone up more. So we're invested at 20.65 is our average here. So if you guys want to get in on this play, it's anywhere between 19 and 21. You're at a good position right now, currently trading at 20.07. Okay, that's the first stock. Now I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to jump into my second stock. Okay, the second stock that I want to talk about is DraftKings. Okay, now they're more of an online bookie, fantasy sports. You know, they do the football fantasy, the baseball fantasy, the basketball, but they're also doing online gambling. So DraftKings is one of the most popular one. It also started as a SPAC back when it first started, but it turned into DraftKings, and this has been a real hit. On this account here, I don't hold too many shares, but I do have another account where I do have shares on this play here. So DraftKings is also, if you look back here on the Michigan, so DraftKings is here. So Bay Mills Indian Community DraftKings Associated Platform Provider will also be able to start on January 22nd, this Friday. So these are both catalysts, huge catalysts that is going to allow this stock to go up, okay? DKNG is a ticker symbol. Right now, guys, it's going to start going up pretty soon, I think. But anywhere, if you can get into DraftKings anywhere between $50 and even $54 right now, I think is a great deal, because I see this stock doubling up this year. It has huge potential. It's one of the most popular online gaming casino sports bookie that I see. You see it in all the commercials. You see it on NBA basketball, NFL. I think it's going to do real big things this year. So make sure you get into this one, guys. With that, I don't want to take too much time on this video. I just wanted to throw them out there because I want this information to be released and make sure it gets into your guys' hands. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video, please. It helps other people to find these videos a lot easier if you just press like and subscribe. And guys, if you like this information, there's links below. You can follow us on different platforms. I usually throw out plays that we're doing here. So with that, have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.